Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Pretty Little Thing haul. I recently went on Pretty Little Thing and I bought a few too many cute things which I kind of couldn't resist. So here we are with a little haul. If you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below. You could join our little family and I think I'd love you forever. Last thing before we get started, I'll link all the items down below so that way you'll know where to find them. I'll try and do it ASAP and not forget, so hopefully they're not sold out. If they are, please don't hate me. Yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so this is the first outfit I'm trying on and I decided to pair two of the items which I thought would work well together. I've kind of been obsessed with the trend of like checked trousers recently. I just think the look of like smart trousers or like a casual top works really well. I thought I'd try these just because they're high-waisted and you know high-waisted hides all of the sins. And also they're culottes but like flared at the bottom. I don't know if you guys know, but anything flared I adore. I thought it would work well with like a baby pink really girly top. So as soon as I saw this top, I thought it was so versatile, so wearable. I love the fact that it was crop. I got the size 8, which I am sometimes at 8 in tops, or I can be a 10 as well. I would definitely go with the larger size because you can see it's a little bit small on me, like I've borrowed my baby sister's clothing. I love the material, it's super comfortable, a little bit sheer, like you can see the bralette I'm wearing underneath. However, nothing to be worried about at all. I love that it's a little bit higher on the neck. I am for sure going to return this and get one that's a size up because I love the fit. Like I think this is so versatile. You could wear this with a pair of like boyfriend jeans or mum jeans, even with like a cute little skirt, or even with dungarees. Which if you didn't get that, I've bought a pair of dungarees to wear this with. I love the trousers. I think they're so comfortable on, like it feels like you're not wearing anything super thin legging material. I think these are so versatile in the summer and they were so affordable. Kind of love both of these. Wow, good start to the haul. Okay, to show you guys what I meant about t-shirts, this is one I actually purchased from Pretty Little Thing. I feel like this is one of their most popular t-shirts. It's a dupe of a designer top and I think it looks so cool. I love that it's baby pink with like the logo over it. It's quite oversized. It works really well for the outfit. I'd probably wear this with a pair of denim shorts or just jeans. I think it's so versatile with a pair of joggers. I kind of had to jump on the trend for this t-shirt. I got this in the size 10 because I wanted it to be oversized. However, I think the look of it is quite oversized itself. So maybe stick to your regular sizes. I could have easily gone down to an 8 and it would have been the look that I was looking for. My hair's like tucked in the back of this t-shirt and I like pretending I have a faux bob. Sorry, you're probably so sick of seeing these trousers. I'm not trying to push them on you. I just bought too many tops in relation to trousers. So these have just been on me, so I've just worn the top with them instead of getting changed. This is a leotard actually, not even a top, and it says doll on it. I thought it was really cute. I think it'd be more baby pink in colour, more like a nude as opposed to a pink, and I think it's so cute. I'd probably wear this with like medium to light wash denim jeans, and I just love the look of a leotard, really like sort of sucking you in. The material is ribbed and it's quite thin, like it's not very thick, so I think it's great for spring summer. I just like that it says doll. It reminds me of Shani and Michael and their whole doll thing, and I think it's so cute. So I'm not gonna bore you with the trousers. I'm gonna go straight and get changed into something else, but just thought I'd show you what it looks like on. Honestly, I think everything I've bought is pink. You guys, this is the most comfortable thing I've worn in such a long time. This feels so comfortable. The pink is quite vibrant, quite out there, but I kind of really like it. I think it's quite fun. Something that you could definitely get away with wearing in the spring, summer, especially around the UK where it's not too hot. I think it's so flattering. I'm quite tall, so for this to be the right length on me is a little bit of a miracle. I love it. I love the cut around the neck. I love that it cinches in around the wrist and it ties you in at the bottom because it's slightly cinched in as well, not too tight. Honestly, I didn't expect to like it this much. When I saw the colour, when I opened the bag, I was like, oh gosh, really something I'd wear, but when I tried it on, I absolutely love it. And imagine this, maybe cinched in with like a belt and some trainers. Super cute, super casual, but you look good. Woohoo! So sorry, this item is also pink. I've worn two things in one, both I kind of really love. Something I wouldn't have put together actually, or would I? I'm not sure. So I bought this off the shoulder pink sort of Bordeaux top, and I paired it with this, like, this is more like a peachy dungaree pinny type thing. And I've never really owned one of these before, and I kind of really love it. I think this would be so cute in the spring, summer. This is a very girly look, but you can switch it up like this. I'd normally wear with like denim mum jeans, something really thick like robust jeans, and this is such a baby pink soft colour, it works really well. Whereas with this, I'd kind of wear like a normal grey t-shirt underneath or a white t-shirt, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving the baby pink on peach. Tell me if this is like girly overload. I'm not really one to dress that girly, but I don't think this haul is showing that very well. I got in my normal size 8, and it's super comfortable. Like, it feels really nice on. It's not ironed, so that's why it may look a bit creased, but the material is like this super stretchy material. I think this is so comfortable. On the other hand, it is not so comfortable. I feel super restricted, like I can't move my arms. It's because this is doubled over and folded over. With these tops, pain is gain. But I would size up in this. It's a little bit too cropped, like it, I don't know if you can see, but it finishes just where this dungaree starts. So maybe size up in this and it'd be a bit more comfortable. I think this is really cute. Tell me what you guys think down below. Please be honest. That is probably one of my favourite items I've tried on in this whole haul, which is such a tongue twister. I have been obsessed with this like tweed looking Chanel, Balmain-esque material on either suit jackets or skirts, and I've been on a lookout for something that's way more affordable than the Balmain price. Recently I saw in the Fro wear this matching combo, and it was white tweed and it looked so beautiful. However, I kind of really like this pink as well. I think it's super flattering on. I think it's this fold at the front. You look elegant and chic and sophisticated while still feeling fashionable and young and on trend, and I really love this outfit. This is a very me outfit. I just wore it with this shirt that is from Zara, I think. It's a very old shirt. So I'll definitely link what I can find down below. Hopefully they still have it in stock because this fits so well. Like, it's so snug, but it doesn't feel tight or uncomfortable. I just really love this. And this is the last piece I'm trying on today. It is this beautiful blush tone off the shoulder jumpsuit. I mean, what is the haul of mine if I don't haul a jumpsuit? You guys know I love a good fitting jumpsuit. I think it's so beautiful, powerful, flattering on. Something you can just throw on and it looks like a whole outfit. Even though you've just worn one piece of clothing, you look much more put together. Shoulder, super fitted with these long, slightly flared bottoms, is so flattering on, and I don't feel restricted at all. This actually hasn't even fallen off once, like it's super secure. I think this is so flattering on. I don't have the biggest waist to hip ratio, but this gives you the illusion of like curves. I think this would be great in the spring summer for like a wedding or a family occasion, something where you want it to be a bit more formal but you still want it to look quite glamorous but still quite conservative at the same time. This top half, the colour and the shape, kind of reminds me of like a bridesmaid dress. Like I can imagine this flaring down. It'd be a really cute bridesmaid dress. So yeah, I really like it. Tell me what you guys thought down below. And that's the end of the haul. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, like I said earlier, please join our little familam. And maybe we can do more Pretty Little Thing hauls in the future. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I shall see you guys soon. Bye!